10th standard children. Hope you all fine at home. I'm happy to see you in this video session of term 2 unit 23 visual communication. 90% of the information is transmitted to the brain with the help of visual. So in this visual communication lesson, you can able to understand the difference between file and folder, how to create the file and folder, utilize the software to create the animation. So let's move on to the video session.
Hello, children. This is our last unit of science, unit 23 visual communication. In this lesson, we are going to see about the computer inner and the outer parts. In the lower class itself, you used to know about the what are the inner and the other parts, that is software and the hardwares. In this lesson, we are going to see about the file as well as folders, how to create file and how to create the folders. Next, visual communication introduction. In general, whenever we think of computers, the things that come to your mind is computer screen, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. We learned about computer and the parts of the computer as introductory part in the standard 6. You already learned everything and I already told that you learned about software as well as hardware, which plays a vital role in working of the computer. Do you know how to operate the computer? We refer the computer its a speedy and ability to store more data, isn't it? So how you can save the data that we can see now. While how we can save the data with the help of our files with the folders, which can accommodate a multiple file or a single file. That is, a folder can accommodate a single or multiple file. So let us understand the terminologies like file, folders before moving to the further process. Output we get from the application is commonly refers to file. That is, the application for the specific purposes determines the nature of the file. After that, we are going to see about the folder. It's a storage space that can store multiple files. So we can create a file as per user needs. That is, your needs, you can store anything. We have to take an example like bookshelves in the library, how it is having the individual books can consider into file. The same way you can use a folder. When we right click on the mouse, the pop-up menu will be appeared, that is on the screen. In that, new options will be there and secondary menu comes up with the other set of options. Select folder option in the menu. You can now save the files in the newly created folder. So more people are using Windows and Linux operating system in their computers. Those are having computer in your home, the OS, that is operating system, will be a Windows or Linux. We can do many activities like collecting notes, drawing, painting and creating the animation like spreadsheets like that. Okay, so we can use a guide board to go to the unknown places, like when you on the computer, click the start button at the left corner of the computer. How can we create files? If the computer is operating on the Windows, that is operating system, we can collect our notes in Notepad application and draw the pictures in the Paint application. As per its name was typed as a notes in the notepad, we can save the created folder in the folder. Likewise, Paint app, we can draw, edit the picture, and this pictures can to see how to create an image in the gallery, animation and graphics easily. Pictures and audio visuals gives us more understanding than teaching. Yes, no? While you're seeing the picture, you can able to understand more. Instead of saying the story once upon a time like that, we can understand the concept easily while seeing the video. So device which helps in explaining the concept through the pictures, that is called as a visual communication. Here some examples are there: photos, audios, drawing, animation, all which comes in a communication devices. Scratch. It's a software that used to create the animations, cartoons and games easily. In visual programming language, it was developed in the Massachusetts Institution of Technology, that is MIT Media Lab, to make the programming easier, more fun to learn. Scratch Environment Editor, which have the three main parts. First one is Stage, Sprite, Script Editor or Costume Editor. Stage is a background appearing when we open the Scratch window. The background will most often be white. You can change the background as the color you likes. The second one is sprite. The characters on the background of a scratch window is known as a sprite. Usually it appears in a sprite when the scratch window was opened. The third one is script editor or costume editor, where you edit your programs, your spreads, picture. You should see a single window with at least the following three pans. Stage, top left. Next, sprite list is the top left, bottom left, and the split lab right, which contains a block tab and a scripts area. The right pan also contains two additional tabs. One is costumes as well as another one is sounds. Script editor, which have the three main parts. One is script area, block menu, block panel. Script area, where you build scripts. Block menu, where you choose a category of blocks to use. Block panel, where you choose the block to use. When the costumes tab is chosen, that is the costume editor which is shown in our outline will be in a red in color. Movement and loops. First, click the file or a new file to create the project and enter the project name. For fast, you have to click script, event, drag the green flag clicked block to the scripts area. Your crisp area should look like this. And click the menu script. Motion menu drag go to x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Block to the scripts areas and snap it to the bottom of when the green flag click block. Your script should look like this. Then add move 10 steps block to the bottom of your scripts and change 10 into 100. Click the green flag at the bottom right corner of the stage to run the program. This is the movement and the loop. Adding sound. Click sprite in the sprite list, then click the sound tab. Next, try the meow sound. Already is there. If you don't like it, click the speaker icon and choose a different sound from the sound library. The third one is click the split tab and find the play sound block from the sound menu. Add this block to when the space key pressed script. Select the sound you want from the drop down list. The fourth option is run the program. Here we have an example of this program. Print a word hello with a sound. And first is click event in the script option. Drag the tab to script area. The third one, click a look in the script option. Drag say to script area. Type hello, the word in the say tab. Click the sound in the script option. Drag play sound to the script area. Choose the hello sound from the audio file. From file menu, choose a save option. The last one, click the green flag in it at the top right corner of the stage window to run the program. From this you can able to know how to make the pro with the help of the word hello with the sound.